But first, all this week we've been covering the issue of mental health and how it can affect anyone, regardless of age, health or background. But in Lambeth, figures show there's an alarmingly high number of African Caribbean people who are accessing inpatient psychiatric services. For Mental Health Awareness Week, Ronke Phillips has been to Lambeth to find out why.
Okay, my dearies.
Serving lunch for others is therapy for Grace Johnson. The 54-year-old found herself spiralling into severe depression after her 11-year-old daughter was killed in a collision with a lorry in 2010. The next year, her daughter's father was murdered in Jamaica. And last year, Grace's grandmother also died.
Been working now and then, but most of the time I go work when it's too much and it's too much stress.
Instead of heavy medication, Grace's GP sent her here to the Mosaic Clubhouse, a community-based work project where 68% of the users are black. 90 people a day use the services here at Mosaic, and it's also special in the way it's staffed. Most come from the local community, but it's also run by its members, the very people who come here for help.
What we believe is that by pitching in and volunteering your time, that helps your recovery journey.
In Lambeth, the black and minority population is 26%, yet the number of people accessing inpatient psychiatric services from this group is 42%. The reasons for the high take-up are complex, as are people's experiences of the mental health system.
Instead of the help and care he needed, Shaney met with his death.
This week, an inquest jury ruled excessive force was used by police to restrain Olushene Lewis at the mental health unit at Bethlehem Royal Hospital. In 2008, Sean Rigg, a paranoid schizophrenic, suffered a heart attack while in custody in Brixton Police Station shortly after he was restrained. Now the local mental health authority involved in both cases is working with a project called Black Thrive, bringing together different organisations to improve the way services are delivered in the borough. Mosaic is one charity leading the way, giving black people with mental health problems back some structure and purpose to their lives. Ronke Phillips, ITV News.
A driver who was apparently too impatient to follow behind a learner has been caught on camera mounting the curb to overtake. Footage filmed from the dashboard of a driving school car shows the vehicle overtaking on the inside seconds after passing two women with a pram. The learner driver managed to keep their composure and managed to pass their test. Now, when Shakira Martin was elected to be the next president of the National Union of Students last month, it caused a bit of a stir. She defines herself as a black single mum from a working class family in Lewisham, and only the